Welcome to today's video. Merry Vlogmas. I'm on the right side of the car now because DJ's driving.
SAMMIT ate too much breakfast.
Yeah, I'm pretty full. We have a late start. It's like 1:30. We just finished breakfast, lunch, brunch, whatever you want to call it.
Little brunch. We slept in a little bit. Felt great to like sleep in and not have to rush out the door. So that was good.
So we're heading to the compound now. We're gonna get up to some usual compound stuff. We'll pick it up when we get there. But how does the car feel?
It's good. My only complaint is the clutch, which you plan on
changing.
Anyway.
It's got a 6-puck in there and it's rough as. So we have arrived. Ant, jump on. Ant is now my employee. I pay him whatever Jimmy pays him through Jimmy. We're at the compound now.
Yep.
We got here. Is this like a tire's flat or something on this? Yeah, we got here today. We're just having a chill day, relaxing after an amazing event. That thing looks nice. Need to get Adam to take me for a ride now. Do you think this thing will do donuts?
This?
Yeah. Do you think it'll flip?
Tip.
Oh, it doesn't have like any boost.
Nothing.
I think we're already like maxed out, yeah.
Up to the floor.
What is that?
Wow.
Is that like a Fisher bird crane thing?
I have not seen an animal on here yet.
Right? Look at this guy. Hey, buddy. Yeah. There's some wildlife here at the LZ compound, guys. We're getting a good fright. I didn't realize there was a pond right there. Watch us get stuck. So today I had no content and I was talking to Anna. I'm like, bro, can I drive your Chaser? I've never driven it before. I remember this, so I'm prepared. We didn't go in the pond though. Yeah. Adam's a gangster.
I'm too tired for that.
Yeah, we're all pretty exhausted today and having a chill day, but it's Vlogmas, so I need to put a vlog out. And Adam's a champion. He's gonna let me drive the Chaser. Any tips, pros, things, anything I need to know?
I would hope that it feels similar to your car, but the steering, like, I don't know, it doesn't feel as good as an S chassis, that's for sure.
I've never driven on anything but the knuckle kit that I have on mine, which is the Side X one, so I'm curious to know, you have Heyman on this, right?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, so I'm curious to know what it'll feel like. Plus he has the newer version of the turbo I have the 3071R. He has the G30 660, right? Mm-hmm. And you have 256
cams though, yeah. But
I have 256
they're 264s.
Oh,
so
264s?
I feel like they kill some of the response that the turbo would have.
Yeah, I think I put HKS 264s in too. I need to check, but...
In retrospect, I wish I didn't put cams on that motor because the 1Js just like don't really have the port size to flow all up top, so I feel like it's kind of pointless. You're just fighting the efficiency of the design, or I would have rather had like a better mid-range.
And the crappy thing is Adam told me this, and I still was like, nah, he can't be right, and I went and put the same cams in my car, and I feel the same way. Yeah, 100%. I am probably going to put my stock cams back in mine because I definitely felt the difference of it being kind of a little bit, like the top end it did go a little bit more, but like the bottom end it was just, yeah, for what I lost it wasn't worth it for sure.
Yeah, I'm curious what you think of it. Let me get with and then have him move his car real quick.
So we just got to move a few things around so there's a bit of space for me to do some donuts, a little bit of drifty stuff. But for the most part, like I said, today's just a super chill day. When you've just done a huge event like that, everyone's just super exhausted, wants to sleep in and rest. And yeah, as you guys know, we went and had breakfast super late, bit of a brunch and stuff like that. But everyone's pretty much, a lot of people are off today, having a good time, relaxing, and it's just kind of clean up, I guess. I figure we'll pop the engine bay, we'll show you everything in there. Although I know a lot of you guys probably have already seen this car on Adam's channel. And it's awesome because Adam actually saved this car. It was a wreck. He got it straightened out and all fixed up. Really nice drift car. As you can see, G30, 660, little baby turbo. They look so much smaller when you see them like bolted up there. Really clean. This whole side had to be re-straightened out and everything. It's a simple 1J setup, very similar to my Chaser. He's got the top mount, I have the low mount. Even the aero kit is similar to mine. He's got the Ganna doors, I just have stock mirrors, but he's got a full Origin kit just like me. It's really nice. And the new wrap, super good. The funny thing is I was initially supposed to be driving this for the LZ Invitational, but ever since it got wrapped, this thing just looked so good. Adam was like, man, like I don't want to risk it. And I had to agree with him, of course. This thing looks so clean, probably the cleanest it has ever looked. And I definitely did not want to be responsible for damaging anything on that car. As much as I really wanted to be able to drive a right-hand drive car for the event, it was totally okay, and I needed a left-hand drive seat time regardless. First thing I noticed is this seat is really low. It's kind of nice. Everything feels like it's in a good position. Steering wheel's good. Oh yeah, I feel that 1J feel. I just remembered about the Evisu sign. If you guys don't know, there's a sign on his window. I think I got some B-roll of it. It's the day pass for a day at Evisu Circuit of drifting. It's a little bit of a sad story. Someone stole it off his car, and I got this one remade by the staff at Evisu and shipped out to him to make up for it. It's just something sentimental and kind of cool. All right, let's strap in, let's do some safety, take this thing for a little bit of a spin. I really think this is gonna feel similar to my Chaser, but I'm also really curious if it's gonna feel any different. Second. Interesting.
Does he like it?
It feels good. I think also because it's much lower and stuff and there's not much suspension travel, maybe it's like feels a little stiffer, but we'll see.
I think it's pretty hooked up right now. I love how this car sounds.
Nice.
Oh, he made me nervous there. That's a tree. Yo, that puddle makes me sweat.
Nice. Okay, I'm gonna get out of first gear. I'm gonna try second.
There's a trailer there.
It's so interesting, like when the power band comes on, like mine feels way more linear than this.
Like, does this feel more like what? Like it hits harder?
Yeah, like it hits way harder. And then it also, I don't know if it's like just maybe how like your rear subframe's all hooked up, but it almost feels like it's disconnected. It's hard to like kind of feel it.
It's super gripped up and it's also rainy.
Yeah, that doesn't help as well. That's very true. But like in small places like this, like I don't know, second gear just kind of bogs down a fair bit, hey?
Yeah, you just need to drive it hard. I wouldn't though, because it's easy to like fuck it up here. This car doesn't feel very natural.
Yeah. The steering kind of has, do you feel like it has a bit of a numb spot sometimes?
Yeah, it doesn't feel good.
Yeah, right? Yeah. That was like the biggest thing, was like coming through there, I was like, But like it feels great. I reckon on a big course, this would feel amazing, like going really fast.
Hop in real quick, I'll show you how I drive it. Hop on the other side.
lot more comfortable driving here than I am, that's for sure.
You just have to drive it like a dickhead.
Yeah, literally.
Like, it's a small turbo, but I kind of drive it like a big turbo car. I think my clutch didn't like me giving rides to so many people because I feel like it was slipping a little bit in second.
Okay. Yeah, I see what you mean. Like, you have to drive this super aggressive.
Yeah. It's fun though, it's rewarding when you get a good lap, but you definitely can't sleep on the throttle.
I was like worried about hitting limiter, and here you are just thrashing it.
Yeah.
All right, let me jump out. I want to see that from the outside.
Okay.
I'm always too scared to break Adam's stuff. I don't want to be the one that ever has to get an invoice for some of these things. The flames! Even my Chaser flames. Oh, I can't wait to see Adam like come over to Japan and feel how my Chaser feels. Like even in the wet, mine feels entirely different. But I really do see what he means, how like you gotta drive it really aggressively. Makes a lot more sense. I'm sure you guys also understand that I definitely don't want to be the one responsible for breaking any of Adam's cars, especially some of his hero cars, and especially considering my reputation of breaking cars. It's starting to really rain hard now. Another lap for the boys. Let's go. Hope he gives it the extra sauce this time. Whoa! Ow! My eardrums. Dude, that thing, it rips.
How bad does that thing rip?
Real bad. Looks so nice. I dig that. All right, it's Jimmy's turn. Make us proud. Don't be the one that wrecks this. Jeez. All right, Jimmy ain't afraid to break Adam's stuff. Oh, dude! What are you doing?
I was going 0.2 miles per hour. It gripped up. Like, how does this thing just gripped up when we hit a puddle? How does that even make sense?
Oh, do you know why I was babying this thing now? Adam jumped in and was like, yeah, you gotta drive it like a dickhead.
Why is this so gripped up? I love it. This is the most awkwardly gripped up car ever. Like in drift, it's like, it's real wishy-washy.
Yeah, the steering kind of doesn't feel great. It's got a
no, just like it almost doesn't have a lot of like. What? I'm gonna try again.
He's giving you crap. Come on, buddy. Can't see anything. What are you doing, Jimmy?
Try not to crash the damn thing. Can you even see? I
can see fine.
Can't see shit.
Jimmy's making excuses.
Whatever.
Jimmy. Come on. There you go. Let's go, boys. Jeez, there's a tree there.
Not gonna make it.
Yeah.
You know what's crazy?
What?
How much the e-brake slows the car down.
Oh yeah.
Because when you're in drift, it feels like the car is sliding so easily, and you hit the e-brake and it like.
Because it's got so much grip into it. It's insane.
Like my S13 would just keep sliding.
Yeah.
It would just like e-brake, and we would just keep going.
Keep going and going and going. Yeah, and you got no control. That's an S chassis thing.
In trouble.
That's why I love my Chaser, because like in the wet you can grip them up so much. I love how that thing sounds. I definitely want to make some changes to my Chaser so we can get something similar out of that. The power band and how it comes on is like really hard. Feels great. I love that we're just like chilling, having a relaxing day, trying not to do anything because we're just all exhausted from the event yesterday, but we can still have crazy fun like that and rip some cars. So good. The compound is incredible. Also, Adam's incredible. Love that dude. Solid friend. Oh, good morning, Marco. It's only like, you know, 6 p.m. and you just get to work now?
Yeah, you know.
What's the boss think of that? Oh, he's gone. He's over there.
Oh wait, it's not AM?
How do you want to wire me for that loss payment?
Offer you handling that for me?
Yeah.
You take Blitz 03s as payment?
Blitz 03s? Oh, I'll take 2.
I'll take the other 2.
Tall, lanky guy problems.
If I could spit up at you, I would.
Do it, I'd take it.
It would just fall on my face.
Yeah. All right, so Adam wanted to take me to this ramen joint, see what it was like, see if it's authentic enough.
You've had ramen before?
Of course I've had ramen before. Is it authentic though? Will it pass the test?
I guess you really gotta ask, right?
It's called domu.
Would your Japanese wife approve?
Would she approve?
That's the title. Would my Japanese wife approve of this
Let's go.
question?
Oh.
Clickbait. Oh, fuck. All right, let's get out of here.
It's
I can get to the point where I'm screening.
So, Sammit is intoxicated, talking very loud.
When I'm drunk at it,
So loud.
I do the double click out of all the time.
Wait, we're seeing a movie tonight? I'll edit in the movie.
You're not editing.
No, you were not allowed to film this.
He's not editing tonight. There's no editing tonight, chill.
Okay, guys, I'm sorry if the video didn't come out for Vlogmas. It's Colette's fault. So please go let Colette know on her Instagram. Send her a DM and tell her how disappointed you are that there was no upload for Vlogmas.
It's this fault. This is his fault.
The lychee martini was really good. All right, so we're at dinner with everyone. We're having a really good time. And this is the tonkatsu ramen. It looks good. I'm about to try it. I'll give you my review. American ramen, we'll see. Not a Japanese person in sight, but you know. She just disrespected the ramen.
Tonkatsu.
Colette Davis. Colette Davis.
What?
How dare you disrespect the ramen?
We're in America.
This is America.
Yeah. Okay, you're correcting me on how to say lychee.
It's lychee, not lychee.
I feel like it might be lychee.
What is going on? No one knows what they're doing.
Thank you.
Sam is so drunk right now, behind the camera he looks like this.
He was just behind the camera.
Just to clarify, this is my face, and it is definitely not like... Anyways, I'm gonna enjoy the ramen. I'll give you a review when we're done. So does it get any better, Sam?
I thought it'd be more liquidy, like red.
The noodles really are the worst part about it. They're really soggy, they're not firm. But for the most part, the soup and everything else is good. Yeah. It is the next day and I'm gonna get ready and hopefully film another vlog. But things are really starting to wind down, obviously coming up to Christmas now. And I've got to make my way back to Connecticut to get ready to take my flight back home to Japan. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I had a really good time last night hanging out with everyone. The ramen was really, really good. I don't think we really filmed my review properly for obvious reasons. The only complaint I had was the noodles were kind of soggy, but that was it. Everything else was great. But anyways, thanks for watching. Smash that like button, rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace. Jamata.